I'm Srinath Mallikarjunan. I'm the CEO of UAB Unmanned Dynamics. We are a startup based in Lithuania. Our prime focus as a company is on guidance, navigation, and control. AquaGrid is a spin-off technology that we have developed. The reason for this is that GPS signals do not penetrate underwater. That is why autonomous underwater drones are so rare compared to aerial drones. Our mission in this project is to open up the world of underwater drones. So in AquaGrid, what we do is we use Galileo signals and we retransmit them using these acoustic modems. By acoustic modem, I mean sound. It generates sound, so it basically communicates like whales and dolphins because radio waves like GPS do not penetrate underwater. Currently, we are standing in our lab. This is our land test rig that we use to test our software and hardware and so on before we go into a lake. What you see here is a buoy. The AquaGrid system consists of 4 or more buoys, each of which contains a GPS receiver on top and acoustic modem below. And these modems communicate with an underwater object like a submarine, and the submarine computes its own position. And then it uses advanced sensor fusion, which we had previously developed for aerial drones, and we use that to compute the position, velocity, and orientation of the submarine. The use of AquaGrid is to enable autonomous underwater vehicles because there are so many fields such as oil and gas, underwater pipelines, submarine cables. There's so many applications, all of which currently use very expensive autonomous underwater vehicles. But as you can see, our system is easier to maintain. My grand vision for the company is that we are a conglomerate which supplies drones from sea to space. We are extremely grateful to SRBIC for giving us this opportunity to prove ourselves and this technology, and we hope to make underwater drones as accessible as aerial drones.